All right, let's get rolling, everybody. 8:48 on Saturday morning, September 12th now, and we do have mostly cloudy skies outdoors. I just stepped outside here at Fox 17. It remains dry, and it will remain that way likely for the next probably 3, 4, maybe 5 hours. That may be stretching it on the end. Early this afternoon, that's when the chances for some of this rain to move in from west to east, they will be on the rise. But here's the look at GR right now off the tower cam. Some milder air is building in from the south. I shouldn't necessarily say building because it's kind of stalled out where it is, where those lighter green colors are right now. The winds are still generally out of the east, but now turning to the southeast. So it will be building in over the next 2 to 3 hours. Some warmer air now showing up there, Benton Harbor and South Haven, and those 60s will expand in coverage. Obviously, we're getting into the daytime warming process now as well. So we will get well into the 60s by midday, even to around 70 degrees, and max out even higher than that, as you'll see with the day planner momentarily. East winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but the trajectory is starting to go more to the south here. Three Rivers, Benton Harbor, and South Haven with some southerly direction to that wind. 69 degrees officially at noon, 71 at 5 p.m. We'll hit our max temp there around probably 2, 3 o'clock. And that's around the time when some of these rain prospects hit the point where you would expect to have falling rain in any one given location, particularly GR. That's where this graphic is set up for. And a southeast wind goes to the south by late day at 5 to 10, even 15 miles per hour at times. The main corridor of rain still out over the western end of Lake Michigan. And though, as I've been mentioning, it's only about 100 miles away or so, the way that it's moving is not really working towards us very rapidly. But if you extrapolate out what's been happening over the past several hours, well, it'll make it in here by about 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And we will have some rainfall. It'll be soggy into this evening. More on that to come. Let's go southward over the southern tip of Florida. We've got to the center point of this tropical depression moving right across the southernmost part of the peninsula there. And that will be emerging into the Gulf of Mexico and starting to move off to the northwest towards Louisiana. Could start to head towards New Orleans, something like that, as perhaps as strong as a low-end Category 1 hurricane. We'll see how much it can strengthen. It's got a nice circulation right now. Typically, when those tropical depressions and tropical storms have a nice circulation, they get out over the waters. They can have a tendency to ramp up pretty quickly. However, the shear environment is questionable. That may inhibit it, put a lid on how strong that storm can get. So stay tuned on that system. Looking to hit the southern coastline there, the Gulf Coast, at some point on Tuesday afternoon, but affecting it even before then with its outer bands. Future Track model has the clouds around this morning. Could there be a rare dimmed ray of sunshine for somebody between now and the next couple hours? Possible, but the clouds overwhelming the picture here midday and beyond, and some rain showers be moving in. Expecting it to be raining at 4, 5, 6 o'clock in Grand Rapids, even through this evening. Periods of rain will be out and about, and I'm thinking pretty soggy. We may pick up a half of an inch of rain from this particular weather system. By tomorrow morning, though, when we're on the show doing what we're doing right now, I think the rain's over with. Certainly, the ground may still be damp. Mostly cloudy skies will eventually give way to a mix of sun and clouds on Sunday. There's the rain amounts off the Euro model. Depending on what model you look at, you get different varying amounts, but I think around a half of an inch seems reasonable. Seems reasonable, Sarah. Temperature tomorrow, 72 degrees. A little sunshine returns, then a nice stretch of weather Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ramp it up to near 80 on Wednesday. Next cold front, perhaps a shower on Thursday. Looking cooler, though, mid-60s by Friday.
Very nice for the beginning of the week, Anthony. Thank you. Well, if you